Wow. You found stickers? What else is in there? Look in your basket.
Wow.
Who was this? Who's that?
Oh.
Daddy can take them off while you look at your other stuff. What else is in there?
What is that?
What is that? That's your own chapstick. Wow, look at those new necklaces.
Bunny up.
Yeah, bunny necklaces off?
Bunny up.
All right, let Dada do it.
Wow.
Wow, I wonder what's in these eggs. I wonder what's in here, Greta. Hear it shaking? Can you pop that open? Yay!
What is that?
Wow, those are links. You can make a necklace when we open up all the eggs.
A star.
Star, that's right. Chapstick. You putting it on?
A moose.
What else is in there? Open another egg. Wonder what's in there.
A mouse.
Need help?
Mama, help.
Now see.
A butterfly.
A butterfly.